we are pleased to show you the 2015 Ford C-MAX Energi. The C-MAX Energi is a hatchback with seating capacity of 5. Its powerful engine and stylish interior make it a great option for those looking for a functional and efficient vehicle, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tire pressure monitor. Come see the car for yourself.